Today we will take a dive into Polygon MATIC to learn what it is and if it's a good investment. This will be a deep dive to really understand what Polygon is and what it is useful for. I will also go through if Ethereum 2.0 will remove the need of Polygon, so bear with me here. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So what is Polygon MATIC? Polygon is a stack of protocol designed to fix Ethereum scalability issues. The Polygon Network addresses the network challenges by handling transactions on a separate Ethereum-compatible blockchain. Polygon then returns transactions to the main Ethereum blockchain post-processing. This approach lowers the network load on Ethereum. In doing so, Polygon can speed up transactions and lower transaction costs to less than a cent. In other words, Polygon, formerly known as MATIC Network, provides an easy framework for new and exciting blockchain projects to build on Ethereum without the scalability issues. Using Polygon, user can interact with any decentralized application without ever having to worry about the network congestion. This guide deep dives into everything there is to know about the Polygon MATIC network, how Polygon works, and how this innovation solution is making Ethereum easier to use. So the Polygon team is mostly promising Ethereum scalability projects to its highly capable development team. The expertise behind the team continue to be the driving force behind Polygon's growth. The founder of MATIC Network did foresee what crypto industry needed. They have funding from some serious people like the billionaire Mark Cuban. So are MATIC and Polygon the same thing? Before the project changed its name in early 2021, Polygon was known as MATIC Network. The MATIC Network that had one primary offering that was Plasma sidechains. Plasma sidechains are kind of a sidechain, except they offer a greater security in exchange for convenience. Unlike sidechains, plasma chains would publish their root on Ethereum layer 1 and function based on this assumption that the consensus mechanism can fail. This design affords greater security, but while rendering these chains unable to run complex operations. So MATIC token versus Polygon Network. After the project expanded, Polygon kept the MATIC native token, so the MATIC Network became Polygon. These have caused confusion and still does, but are still the same project. Polygon is simply a new umbrella for multiple projects, including the MATIC Network. Thereby, the Polygon token is still the MATIC token. So how does actually Polygon work now then? The Ethereum blockchain can perform around 17 transactions per second on the base layer. Each transaction on Ethereum comes with a transaction cost called gas fees. Gas fees ramp up during time of high network congestions, and Ethereum gas fee can rise quickly to about $50, as we have noticed in the past now. As you can hear by yourself, this is a huge issue since most people can't pay more than $50 for a single transaction. Congestion also makes Ethereum process slower and thereby discouraging users to engage with the smart contracts on the blockchain. This issue can be added up in high cost in feed for people who use DeFi, NFTs, swaps, transfer on Ethereum. Polygon can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second compared to the Ethereum 17 transactions per second. And also Polygon is able to do these transactions for pennies compared to Ethereum high prices. Polygon comprises of a suite of different protocols, including the zero knowledge, ZK proof, varieties, so the user get to choose the best scaling options suited for their needs. ZK proofs are cryptographic primitive used for verifying to other parties whether their particular statement is valid. The prover is not required to provide any additional information than the fact that the statement is true. The most popular option Project Team can show from the Plasma sidechain, Proof of Stake, Blockchain Bridge, CK rollup, Optimistic rollups. MATIC began with their Plasma sidechain, which is the lighter and more secure sidechain. A Plasma chain is a separate blockchain that runs alongside the primary one, that is Ethereum in this case. So this Plasma chain communicate with the main blockchain, allow assets to transfer between them securely. The Proof of Stake bridge allow developers to create dApps on one platform without having to sacrifice the benefit afforded by the other platform. Processing batches of transactions on its own POS blockchain eliminates the need for Ethereum process all the files on its own. By batching transactions off the main chain, Polygon makes Ethereum lighter and faster. The CK rollup process bundle of transactions off-chain and create validity proofs, verifying that each bundle of data is accurate, that is then sent to the main blockchain. Each validity proof acts as a proxy for its bundle it represents, which reduces the amount of data on the main chain. This means that this approach reduces the time and gas fees required to validate a block of transactions. Optimistic rollups use a different type of proof system called fraud proofs. Once a fraudulent transaction is discovered, a fraud proof protocol self-executes and determines the correct transaction based on the data available on the main blockchain. Polygon has recognized that there is no single best solution that will accommodate all applications. Each scaling solution comes with trade-offs between security, sovereignty, transaction fees, transaction speed, and thereby the developers should have at least the option to choose the best suited scaling solution for their applications. And Polygon offers the most complete suit scaling solution. So why is Polygon good for the Ethereum? Polygon isn't in competition with Ethereum. If anything, it is reliant on Ethereum and vice versa. Polygon's mission is to leverage the Polygon network in order to create an infrastructure that can handle the mass adoption of Ethereum. Consequently, Polygon is more dependent on Ethereum than Ethereum is on Polygon. This is of course expected since Polygon is built on top of its blockchain. The main disadvantage is that switching to Polygon for speed may dilute the value gained from Ethereum. Value diluted might actually hinder Ethereum direct user growth in certain locations. To wit, Polygon improves Ethereum and thereby more people will use the Ethereum blockchain. With more users locking their capital in the Ethereum blockchain freely, its value will rise. Deposit the potential for stealing total value locked TVL away from the Ethereum. Polygon MATIC versus the Ethereum Layer 1. At first glance, Layer 2 scaling solution may appear to be complex. In simple terms, Layer 1 describes the underlying base blockchain architecture. Layer 2, on the other hand, lies on top of the underlying blockchain as an overlaying network. So Layer 2 solutions are external protocols that interact with the base blockchain to increase the speed and efficiency. Moreover, with the Layer 2 solution like Polygon protocols that are already running on top of Ethereum can become even faster and cheaper. So why use Polygon over Ethereum Layer 1? Ethereum was designed with an auction-based model, thus encouraging users to bid for the transaction to be included in the next block. Therefore, by design, more network congestion leads to increasingly prohibitive costs. Polygon has a major ambition for the future, and they don't just include speed or transaction cost. The protocol aims to link all Ethereum virtual machine (EVMs) compatible blockchain with each other, allowing developers to access the benefits of other blockchain platforms with minimal friction. Doesn't Ethereum 2.0 kill the need for Polygon? Ethereum 2.0 will be a major upgrade to Ethereum blockchain, but it will only provide a limited solution to the scalability challenge. As more and more of the decentralized platforms and dApps use on-chain solutions like Ethereum 2.0, demand may start to creep up against the limits of scalability. As mentioned, this results in a buildup of network traffic. Gas fees begin to spike and the networks end up under the same load condition as before. This is where Polygon comes in by providing the Ethereum blockchain with an additional layer of scalability. Layer 2s like the Polygon Network will further improve the experience Ethereum 2.0 will have to offer. An Ethereum upgrade can be made even faster with Layer 2. In this manner, Polygon ensures that the end user receives the best experience. Ethereum 2.0 is still some time away, but scalability has been an issue that has long acknowledged by Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin as the trilemma challenge. A solution like Polygon brings some of the benefits of Ethereum 2.0 to users so that they may take advantage of the increased speed and transparency as well as the lower cost, all without having to wait for the release of Ethereum 2.0. So the scaling solution on other Layer 2 competitors, Polygon isn't the only project attempting to speed up Ethereum transaction, of course. Network data for Ethereum show that the number of transactions per day is steadily increasing. Layer 2 solutions are simply the best way to handle this growing strain that occurs on the Ethereum blockchain. It's worth mentioning that benefits go beyond simply offloading transactions. Several competing Layer 2 networks also allow transactions to be processed externally and bridging onto the main blockchain network. Some of the more notable Layer 2 alternatives to Polygon rely on CK proof-up. Two most notable competitors would be Arbitrum and Optimism. Polygon has a total value lock of roughly $4 billion. The total value lock refers to the total amount of crypto assets that users have locked into protocols on the network. Compared to Polygon, data from DAppRadar shows that Loopring, a CK rollup protocol, has a TVL of 290 million. There's no doubt that Polygon has some strong competition and all the Ethereum Layer 2 projects have the potential to positively impact the blockchain environment. But since Polygon has been investing heavily in different types of CK proofs, this Layer 2 solution has shown great promises as a powerful solution for Ethereum scalability. What makes Polygon stand out for its Layer 2 competitors? Polygon is the only network that allows its token MATIC to be staked on Polygon blockchain. Staking allows its users to earn interest annually for helping validate transactions on the blockchain. Polygon has solutions for everyday users, developers, and enterprises alike. Polygon's primary objective is to create an Internet of Things for the Ethereum blockchain. The project aims to scale Ethereum to 1 billion users without sacrificing decentralization or security. What sets Polygon apart from the L2 solution is its release approach. Polygon offers developers a stack of solutions on a single network. This approach grants developers a higher level of control and customization when choosing a scaling solution best suited for their application. On Polygon, a developer can choose between the CK rollup or optimistic rollups. They may opt to use Polygon Avail instead, an extreme secure data availability blockchain for standalone chains, sidechains, and off-chain scaling solutions. What makes Polygon unique then? In May 2021, the Polygon Network announced launch of the Polygon SDK, which makes the process of building a multi-chain network much easier for developers. While Polygon SDK developers can create standalone chains that are fully responsible for their own security. These standalone sidechains will have a dedicated POS bridge network connecting them to Ethereum. Polygon also has other scaling approaches like its POS commit chain. For convenience, the commit chain is often simply referred to as Polygon or the Polygon blockchain. Polygon POS sidechain has been the project's most popular project. So to date, the Polygon blockchain has processed roughly 1 billion transactions and counting. According to the data from Polygon Scan, the POS commit chain is EVM compatible and it works flawlessly with many Ethereum protocols. Consequently, moving the apps across platform is simpler for developers. So Polygon Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Unlike other EVM sidechains, Polygon commits checkpoint to Ethereum. Specifically, each time Polygon processes a transaction, it creates a few checkpoints on Ethereum. These checkpoints ensure that all the data that has been processed on Polygon up to the point is valid and safe on Ethereum blockchain. Note that the EVM sidechain do not use the checkpoints. What is the Polygon MATIC token used for then? MATIC is Polygon's native cryptocurrency token. Polygon Plasma chain run on the POS consensus mechanism. MATIC will be used to pay for all the transactions on the Plasma chains. Therefore, the more projects that use Polygon as a scaling solution, the greater the demand for MATIC. In addition, MATIC serves as a governance token by granting holders the right to vote on which of the several scaling solutions planned should actually be rolled out. If the community likes a new Layer 2 scaling solution and wants Polygon to integrate it, holders of the token may vote on whether the solution become a part of Polygon's product line. Therefore, governance voting allows MATIC token holders to vote on the future of Polygon. So, is Polygon a good investment? Ethereum is the first and largest blockchain network in the world with smart contracts functionality. Its native currency, Ether, ETH, has a market capitalization of roughly 350 billion now, making it the second largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. Any project that can reliably improve Ethereum will likely gain a massive support and adoption. Cryptocurrency users consider Polygon as a good investment for several reasons. The project could become the main Layer 2 solution of choice for Ethereum. The team is strong and ambitious. They are aggressively pursuing exceptional partnership opportunities. The project offers a solution to problems that Ethereum users have been complaining about for years. Over time, Polygon has proven to be reliable. With a market capitalization of roughly 11 billion, MATIC is among the top 25 cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the max supply is capped at 10 billion MATIC. The circulating token supply is roughly 7.5 billion of that 10 billion. With this finite supply, it is possible the demand for MATIC token may outstrip the supply, leading the positive price auction. So, how to invest in the Polygon cryptocurrency? Investing in the Polygon crypto project is as straightforward as investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum. The easiest way to locate a crypto exchange that offers the ability to buy the MATIC token. User may also choose to stake MATIC to earn an annual reward. Where to buy the Polygon cryptocurrency? Polygon can be bought, or the MATIC token can be bought on popular cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. The sole requirement is to set up an account, buy the MATIC token and purchase them. Experienced cryptocurrency user can opt to buy Polygon token via decentralized exchange like DEX like Uniswap. Purchasing via DEX like Uniswap can be accomplished using wrapped Ethereum WETH, an ERC20 token that allows users to trade Ether on decentralized platforms. MATIC tokens can be stored in a Ethereum wallet or a Polygon wallet. So what about the Polygon wallet? The Polygon wallet allows users to send and receive crypto assets stake MATIC on the Polygon Network to earn interest and access the Polygon bridge to deposit and withdraw between blockchains. Polygon project provides users with a non-custodial web wallet and allows them to manage the token on the Polygon network. Non-custodial wallets give sole control of the private keys to the users. So how to acquire a Polygon wallet address? The MATIC address can be purchased and transferred directly to any Polygon wallet address. Once the MATIC token have been purchased, users should find the best Polygon wallet to store them in. Popular crypto wallets for Polygon include MetaMask and Ledger, the latter of which is a hardware wallet which can be linked to MetaMask to provide additional security. Moreover, centralized lending protocols like Celsius, Nexo also offer lucrative annualized yields on MATIC. Is this the right time to invest in Polygon MATIC? As with every video I make, none of these constitute investment advices. However, given the massive scope of Polygon project, constant partnership announcement and cryptographic advancements, Polygon is performing exceptionally well, I must say. The company has built solid reputation, the MATIC token has come to stand out among the thousands of other projects on Ethereum. Polygon list of partnership is keep on growing rapidly. Notable partners including Ocean, Chainlink, Atari, and more recently even Coinbase has happened on board. Also made a video about CryptoRaider that currently are on Polygon. Check the video out to learn more about GameFi and if it's worth to invest in. Many investors consider Polygon to be heavily undervalued, and they may have a point here. Until Ethereum 2.0 is fully launched, it will be hard to discern just how promising the Polygon project will continue to be. But there is a real potential for the market cap to expand as this project evolves. One main concern that has been whether the Polygon project will start to steal away some of the total value lock that is currently locked into an Ethereum base layer, but this remains to be seen really. Compared to its competition, Polygon stands out clearly as Layer 2 solution to be the reckoned with. And although Polygon remains as an emerging technology, it looks to be the most promising in being able to scale Ethereum successfully, for example by sustaining decentralization while scaling without sacrificing security. So let us get to the conclusion after all this. Polygon is a sidechain to Ethereum and has proven itself worthy. How it will turn out really depends on how Ethereum 2.0 turns out. However, I believe and many investors believe that it will turn out as the go-to sidechain for Ethereum to solve the scalability issues. If you invest in the MATIC token, you can stake them for a rather high APY, and currently the price of a MATIC is highly discounted. So, did you enjoy this video? Would you like more deep dives into crypto like this? Let me know in the comments below. Get ready for the future together with me, so make sure you also subscribe to stay up to date on the future. You were warned.